Hello and welcome on the English as a Beauty YouTube channel. There are 4 conditionals in the English language, and today I'm going to talk about 2 of them, zero and first conditional. Zero conditional is used to describe scientific facts or general definitions. For example, if you burn fossil fuels, the carbon dioxide is produced. Or, if the cup falls off the table, it breaks. As you see, in both parts of these 2 examples, of these 2 sentences, we use the present simple tense. Easy, right? First conditional is used to describe real conditions in the present and future and their results in the present or future. For example, if the weather is fine tomorrow, we will have a picnic. First conditional is also used to give instructions. Like in this sentence. If Johnny calls, please tell him I will call back him later. Please pay attention to the fact that in the first part of the sentence, right after if, we do not use future simple tense. We use present simple tense. This is very important, although to some of us it may seem that it would be better to use the future simple. This is a very common mistake that speakers of English make. But there is one particular case when we actually can use the future simple tense after if. We use will after if when we want to politely ask someone to do something for us. For example, if you will wait for a second, I will put you through to Mr. Jones. In this example, we are asking a person to wait. If you will wait, or we can say, please wait. So these are the main rules for zero and first conditional. Here is the question for you. Take a look at the following sentence. A friend of mine writes exciting detective stories. She is a new Agatha Christie, if you will. In the last sentence, what does this if you will mean? Please write what you think in the comment section, and I will respond to it. I thank you for watching, and remember, English is a beauty.